So for scenario one, if because the participants weren't volunteers, it meant that the participants were almost pressured into doing the experiment. This could have made the participants feel uncomfortable, and they could have suffered from psychological harm from this. And then for the researchers, there could be many consequences, such as the participants suing the researchers. So the next is right to withdraw. So there was no right to withdraw, which meant the researchers were going against people's will, forcing them to participate and not letting them drop out if they wanted to. This could also lead to psychological harm, and also if the researchers did do this, they might be told to go on ethical training courses. So next, there was no social protection, and for this, participants could get social harm, which means that they could go into being embarrassed and, not feeling comfortable at all. So the researchers can be unrecognised by the bases, and they can also be sued or fined. So for scenario 2, there was poor health and safety, which meant there could be injury for the participant because the research was very negligent. The researchers could therefore be sued and fined. Also, there was deception involved. So this meant that, say, if someone had a heart condition and they were being deceived, they could say that they're all right to do medium intensity work. However, if they're being deceived and being made to do maximal intensity, their heart condition may lead to a heart attack or something. So if the participants do become injured, the researcher could be fined or sued, and they could also be suspended from their position. So next we have scenario 3. So deception was seen, and this could lead to a fine or a sue, and also the participants could be injured. So also, because in scenario 3 there was illegal doping, the participants may gain an illness from this, and this isn't okay because they're being deceived and they might have a bad reaction to the drug that they were given. Also, because it's illegal, the researchers could have prison time, they could get sued, they might get suspended from their job, or they might lose their job, and they will also be decredited from the bases. So next we have scenario 4, and there was no professional conduct in this. The fact that some of the participants couldn't swim, they might suffer from social harm as they were embarrassed. They might also get injured because they might drown or something. And also the researchers could go on a course to make sure this doesn't occur again. So just making them aware of all the ethical issues and what is right and what is wrong. So next we have the scientific conduct. Because they were made to do the ice bath in a swimming pool, the researchers didn't really know what they were doing. They should have had a specific ice bath for this. So if the researchers didn't really know what they're doing, they could get injured. The participants could get injured. So the researchers could go on a course, but they might get sued or fined if the participants do become injured.